Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this lecture we will understand how we can use the brush tool. Well, for using any tool, as you already know by now, we need to select that tool first, right? So for that, select the brush tool. It's the paint brush tool. It's located here. So select it to work with it, and now when you select it, you will see this icon. See the cursor. Now it's nothing, just click at a point and from there you can start your drawing. And see one thing, just notice one thing, when you click and you are just painting something, Illustrator automatically smoothens out your line. See, just like this. See these curves. You can draw pretty much everything with the brush tool. Yeah. Okay, so this is how we can use the brush tool. Now there are many ins and outs of using the brush tool, and let's go to the window menu and let's click on brushes panel to view our brushes panel. It's currently visible, it's here. Let's drag it out here, and here you will see some default brushes that are present in Illustrator. This is a basic brush, this is a pencil kind of brush, see, charcoal brush, and this is a bristle brush. Bristle brushes are helpful in drawing some hairs that we will see but later on. And this is a pattern brush. Now let's create a line using the line tool. So this is a line, right? Now after you have drawn a line, let's click on this pattern brush and see the stroke is now this pattern. Now let's create a rectangle. Now click on this pattern brush and see we have got this pattern around the border. Now remember, any object in Illustrator has the stroke, this is the stroke, and fill. Now when you are creating any shape and you are applying some brush to the object, it's going to be applied on the stroke, not on the fill. Okay, now let's click on this one and see the stroke has changed. Select this one, see it got changed. Click on the basic brush, and here in the option menu you will see few options. From here you can choose the width profile. Let's click this one. This is the width profile. Let's change the stroke width and see. Here we are having many width profiles. So just work with these stuffs to understand it more clearly. Now there are actually few kinds of brushes, like say basic brush, calligraphic brush, art brush, bristle brush, and pattern brush. We will take a look at all of these, and also we have scatter brush, and also we will see how we can create our own custom brushes. Yes friend. So again, how many types of brushes are there? Calligraphic brush, scatter brush, art brush, bristle brush, and pattern brush. I will cover each and every types of brushes in this section, and also we are having two really cool projects at the end of this section. I am really very excited to cover everything with you guys. So Again, how we can use the brush tool? Just select the brush tool to work with it and just provide simple strokes. Currently this brush is selected and that's why we are getting these kind of strokes. And remember, every stroke you are giving, as I am mentioning the term, these are all strokes. Yes friend. And you can even modify these strokes using the direct selection tool. Okay, so let's not make it complex. Just know this thing that using the brush tool we can draw stuffs and we are drawing strokes, remember. And whenever we are creating any shape, if we are applying some brush to it, we are going to get that brush stroke on that object stroke. Okay. So in our next lecture we are going to cover calligraphic brush and we are going to create one calligraphic brush. Yes friend. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.